If you cannot connect to Wi-Fi or the Wi-Fi is not working properly on your Realme GT 7T, here's what you can do in order to try to solve these issues. Before we actually do anything, what you want to do is make sure that the issue is only on your phone, because for example, if you have other devices that have Wi-Fi and they use the same Wi-Fi network, you want to check if these devices also have access to Wi-Fi, if the Wi-Fi is working fine. If the Wi-Fi is not working on the other devices, then it means that you have issues with the Wi-Fi itself instead of having issues with Wi-Fi on the phone. However, if only on your phone the Wi-Fi is not working properly, then we're gonna go to settings. Over here, we want to, of course, make sure that the airplane mode is not enabled. Sometimes we might turn it on by accident, and of course, this can be the reason why Wi-Fi is not working. After that, we're gonna proceed to Wi-Fi, and what we're gonna do first is simply turn off and turn on Wi-Fi again. This simple task sometimes solves many various issues. Next, what you can do is go to Wi-Fi Assistant. You can turn off auto connect to the best Wi-Fi if you have this option enabled. You can also disable this option if it's enabled, the dual channel network acceleration. Besides that, if you tap on these three dots in the top right corner and open more settings, you should be able to find saved networks, and this can be quite useful if you cannot find your Wi-Fi on this on the list of networks over here. So in that case, what you can do is go to the saved networks and simply remove the network, forget the network altogether. However, if you can find the network on the list, then of course you should be able to tap on this eye icon in order to, for example, disconnect and then try to connect again. Or you can do the same thing, forget the network completely in order to try to connect again. You can also check if the auto connect option is enabled, because this might be also the reason why you lose Wi-Fi connection after some time. So the phone doesn't reconnect after that. So you want to make sure that the auto connect option is enabled. So if you forgot the Wi-Fi network, of course, you want to enter the password to the Wi-Fi again in order to connect. If you cannot find the network on the list, you can always press refresh over here after some time, and then there is a chance that you will find your network. Now, if none of this helps, what you can also do is go back to the settings, scroll all the way down, open a system and update, go to backup and reset, then choose reset phone, and over here go to reset network and Bluetooth settings. Verify yourself by providing the password or use biometrics, and then confirm your choice. And unfortunately, we will reset not only Wi-Fi but also Bluetooth and mobile network settings, so if you had any Bluetooth devices connected to the phone, you will also have to reconnect to them as well. And after that, if you decided to reset these settings, then you have to go back to the Wi-Fi and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. And I hope this video helps you solve these issues. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.